This guy's huge. Yes. There's 2 times in the day where it's perfect for fishing. It's right now, early in the morning, and when the sun is setting. I'm gonna go out and fly fish. I hear there's some huge trout here. Boom. Got him. Just a little guy. Not catching much. I might be on the bad side of the pond, so I'm gonna go to the other side and check it out. Got another one. I got a couple, but I think I scared off most of them, so. It's starting to get windy too, so I think I'm gonna stop fishing for a little bit and start working on building a shelter. I've had to take a couple trips back and forth from my camp back to the truck. I brought something here that'll help. It's already starting to get like super hot here, so I'm gonna change and go swimming. I'm ready. Boom. Loaded. Woo. Take my shirt off. Nothing's biting. Even when all the bugs were out, nothing was really biting that much. Just realized I didn't bring a towel. Oh geez. For now, I'm just gonna use this hoodie. I guess I did a terrible job with the tent. Honestly, I don't think this spot's gonna be very good. It'll look nice, but because this is a valley, there's so much wind that blows through here. And so I think I'll pick a spot somewhere in the trees and just try to pick a spot there. Now that I got everything packed up, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna go up the mountain and see if there's any good spots to set up camp. I searched all the way up the mountain and I couldn't really find any spots that'd be good for building a place to stay. So I think I'm just gonna stay in the truck tonight. I went to the top of the mountain and I found a good spot that's out of the wind so I can start cooking stuff. So right here I vacuum sealed a bag of just beef stew with potatoes, celery, carrots, and onions. And so I'm gonna go put this in here and cook it up. Smokes. That is so good. It does not get much better than that. Ate that whole thing. Yeah. I don't know how well the mountains show up, but the mountains look huge from where I'm at. It's already gotten super dark out. Look at the clouds over here. Looks like it's gonna rain pretty bad when those clouds get here. Also, this is here. I think this is bear poop. And yeah, I'll have to be pretty careful about that. I have a regular fishing rod and reel, but we're gonna see if I can catch a huge trout out here. I feel a raindrop. I might have to just stop. I'm gonna have to get out of here. It's already starting to rain really bad. Look at it. Oh crap. Here we go, I got a blanket. That nice. Let's make sure my gun's dry. It does not look like it's gonna stop anytime soon, so. Look at that. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be raining for a while. So I think I'm just gonna have to sit in here and wait it out. It still looks really bad out, and I think it's probably gonna rain probably for the rest of the day. So I'm just thinking of what I'm gonna do. Check this out. There's a target here. I think I'll try to shoot it. I haven't used my pistol yet, so I got the code to get into the shop, so I'm gonna go run out there in the rain and put the code in. I gotta give a big thanks to my Uncle Tyler for letting me out here. This is all his property, so big thanks to him for letting me come out here and make a video. I'm gonna go close that real quick. I have some food out there that I want to cook, so I'm gonna run out there and go grab it. Well, for this meal, I have some marinated skirt steak. I'm gonna make fajitas, but I was just looking through my bag and I forgot tortillas, so we'll just eat it by itself. So here I have my bell peppers, and we're just gonna throw these in here. Oh, that smells good. Alright, let's try this. It's the best meal I've ever made. Out here, at least. This is all the stuff that I marinated with. It's like little bits of garlic and jalapenos. I mean, the clouds are still here, but it's not raining right now, so I think I'll open up the garage door. Alright, now that the weather's cleared up, I want to go shooting. This right here is just a Ruger 22. And so we're going to go out to the targets and go and shoot it a little bit. Alright, this time I want to try out the 9mm. Not too bad from a Beretta. Here, I got another magazine in here. Here you go, another magazine. Let's go. Well, didn't hit as many this time, but another magazine down. The weather cleared up and look at those mountains. All right, I'm back at the pond and the water is looking great, so I'm gonna get started fishing. What's great about this bobber is that this plug right here comes out and you can fill this thing with water. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. So I got this bobber almost full, and that's gonna add enough weight for me to throw this little fly out. You can see it, but let's hope the trout are biting. Already got one on the first cast. Look at how big this thing is. This thing is actually huge. Look at that. Massive. Boom. Huge. Holy crap. I'm gonna put him back. Boom. Holy shit. I think that's a bear out there. I'm gonna set that down. I want to show you guys. There's a bear out there. Look at that. Can you see it? He's running. That's crazy. I think it's a black bear, but it's like cinnamon colored. It's like kind of orange. Yeah, we'll have to come out once it gets dark. That's when everything starts moving and those bears will start hunting. This little guy. Ooh. Another one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other side. I'm a little worried about that bear, but for the most part, I don't think they'll bother you unless they're like starving. This guy's a decent size too, holy crap. I wouldn't doubt there's some crazy big trout where the trees are because they get that shade. I mean, there's a bunch of shade because of the weeds, but then during the day, you don't have to worry about it. Oh, oh, it's a big one. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Come on, you are a beautiful fish. Oh. Look at this guy. This guy's huge. Yes. This is exactly what I was hoping I'd get. Man, what a good fish. Freaking huge. Look at him. Here. Oh. All right. One for the thumbnail. All right, let's put you back. Get in there. Oh, dude, that was perfect. That was like exactly the fish I was hoping I'd catch. Every time I'm surprised by how good this is, because like I can't even explain it to you. It's so juicy. Oh. Let's go look for some bears. I'm gonna go to the truck. Here we go. We're coming after him. Check him out. Can you see him? I'm a little disappointed we didn't really see any bears or nothing. Alright, I do have one last cool thing to show you guys. Right here, I have flour, yeast, sugar, and salt, and I'm going to put a bit of water in it, and I'm going to let it rest overnight so we can have bread for breakfast tomorrow. And in the morning, it'll be all puffed up and ready to cook with. For now, let me show you where I'm staying. I'm gonna go watch a movie and go to sleep, so I'll see you guys in the morning.